Hello everybody and welcome back to Orangefield Studios. This is Said Manning and I'm here with a follow-up of a tutorial I just made where we designed a furniture clothing web UI which is right here. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to turn it black and we're going to change this text to say the black room instead of the white room. So let's go ahead with that. So I'm going to just paste the image for the black room and we're gonna copy this whole canvas and just copy this, just make another canvas the same size as it, and we'll bring it over here, make sure it's the same size, and we'll add our image onto the canvas. Scary black room. We're gonna come now, we're gonna grab our, let's make sure everything is ungrouped, not everything, but we'll grab our logo, our navigation, our indicator, come over here, grab our menu on our sidebar, and we'll just copy, paste, and then just drag it onto this canvas. Oops. Just group it and align it to the right, and then you can ungroup it and zoom in. We'll turn all of our navigation to a lighter color, white, and also our logo. We're gonna turn these white too, and these white too, but we're gonna turn this guy black. So it's already coming together. Let's go back over here, see what else we're grabbing. Now we're just gonna go ahead and grab all of the content, copy and paste, just drag it over, group it, put it in the middle, and just move it up. Ungroup it now, so we can delete that. This time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this to the back, and we're gonna select on the image and mask out a piece of this log. So let's go grab the pen tool, just masking out a piece of the log. And now we're gonna grab this, send it to back, grab these two, mask with shape, and there. Now some of the log comes over the background and into the front. We're going to ungroup this, and we're going to change the white to black, all caps, black room, and we're going to actually change the color black. And we're just going to turn this into a dark gray. So really dark gray, just so it looks better. And these now, also, we're going to change them darker, so black. And we're going to now change the color of our images. So if some of you haven't watched the first tutorial for this design, then go over there and watch it now from our channel, and then come back over here and do the part 2. But for those who have watched it, we're gonna carry on. This can't be black. It just, you can't really see, so we're just gonna keep it a gray color, and let's select these plus signs and then turn them dark gray. Now ungroup the images of our 4 boxes, and let's go find some dark images. Now that we've done our black room, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 more rooms of the color of your choice, and then we're going to prototype the rooms, so when you click on the arrow, the next room slides on, if you understand what I mean. So let's go find all the content for our next 2 rooms. And there's our third. Oh, we don't need 4, so we only need 3 rooms because we only have 3 sides. But I hope you guys went with a better color than I did, rather than the blue room, because finding pictures for this room was just hard. Plus, maybe. Anyway, let's just get onto the prototyping. So let's go, and this is just simple. This is not the inner workings of prototyping, but if we click on this button, it will drag us over to here, auto animate, so it can auto animate itself. Same with this button, over to here. But now this button, sorry, this button brings us over to here. This button brings us back to here. Now what we're going to do before we play that, firstly, this button should also bring us back to here. Before we play that, we're going to come here and just take the opacity off these. And here, we're going to take the opacity off this and this. But we're going to give this opacity. What we're also going to do is copy this artboard, drag in here, and we're going to make a click function. So we're going to make a square that dominates the whole canvas. We're going to make it black. We're going to make it down to, take the opacity down. We're going to get one of these images and make it big. So let me just go get that. And now we're going to make a square. Delete that one. Accident. And we're going to make it bigger from 500. I'm going to make the width a little bit bigger. So it's 500 by 800, and it's in the middle. You should never usually scale up images while you're designing, but just make an exception for this case. Mask the shape, and there in the middle. Maybe bring this up 1, 2, and we're going to put some information. So let's firstly just go and copy this, drag it over, group it, click on this, bottom left, and then we're going to add some text. Let's just add some text, no matter if it's not true. Just align that, make sure it's in the middle. Just change the font. This one, maybe not bold, maybe medium. This pen is only for the rich people. Only the rich people can buy this pen. Not for not for everybody. Sorry guys. I know you guys probably just want this pen since you first saw it, but it's only for the rich people. So let's get back to our prototype. So now when you click on this, 1 minute, let's just group this. Group. When you click on this, it would come down to this. And okay, let's go over here and create an X. Group. And let's go back to our prototype. And this will bring, sorry, this will bring you back to there. So this brings you down there, and this brings you up there. Okay,